Managing payroll can be one of the most frustrating things ever. Finding one that's easy to use, cost-effective, and helps streamline operations is not that easy. Now, OnPay Payroll is one platform that recently caught my attention. It does offer a blend of automation, tax compliance, and benefits management, and I've been using it for my payroll for a couple of months to see how good it actually was. So today in this video, we're going to talk about the key features. I'm going to share my experience with the platform so far and all of the pros and cons. So hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to know if it's the right fit for you and your business. Let's get into it. So if you're not aware what OnPay is, it's a cloud-based payroll solution designed to simplify payroll for small and medium-sized companies. It has a focus on simplicity. They claim to streamline the entire process from calculating wages and withholding taxes to filing returns and processing direct deposits, all through an intuitive online platform. Now, I decided to try out OnPay because managing payroll for my own companies, it's always been tedious, time-consuming, and just annoying. And I was looking for a solution that would reduce my headaches while ensuring accuracy and compliance. So getting started with OnPay Payroll is designed to be as simple as possible. First, just head on over to the website and sign up for an account. The registration process involves entering your basic business info, such as your company name, the industry, and contact details, along with some details about your payroll cycle. During this, OnPay verifies your identity and business credentials through a secure online process, which, just to be aware of, this process is very thorough, so it actually might take a little bit of time. Now, once your account is set up, you do gain access to their online dashboard. The dashboard is organized into clear sections, making it very easy to navigate between employee management, payroll processing, and tax filing. Now from here, you can begin entering employee data. So OnPay allows you to import information manually, or you can upload files from your existing HR system, which can be a real-time saver if you're transitioning from another payroll provider. I did find that the import feature significantly reduced the initial setup time by automatically mapping fields like names, social security numbers, and payment details. Now, once that is all done, you can start to set up your pay schedule and configure your payroll preferences. This does include setting up your pay periods, whether it's weekly or monthly, defining deduction rules for taxes and benefits, and specifying direct deposit instructions. Plus, the platform provides helpful prompts and tooltips throughout the entire process. So even if you're not familiar with all the nuances of payroll regulations, you can have guidance every step of the way. Now, throughout the whole setup process, OnPay provides excellent customer support, which was a nice touch. If you ever get stuck or have questions, you can reach out via chat, email, or phone. Their support team is very knowledgeable and quick to respond, which did help me feel confident in transitioning to a new system when I did first sign up. All right, let's talk pricing. So the first month and the setup are free, and your monthly fee is solely based on the number of employees in your company. Now, the pricing starts at a base fee of around $50 per month, plus an additional $6 per month for each employee. Very transparent, allowing you to easily scale your cost as your team grows without any hidden charges. Now, with this subscription, you gain access to all of the features that OnPay has to offer, like payroll runs, flexible payment options, whether you choose direct deposit, paper checks, or prepaid debit cards, and automated tax handling. Overall, OnPay's clear pricing and comprehensive features provide a solid, cost-effective solution for managing your business's payroll needs. And if at any point you decide to try out OnPay Payroll for your company, then you can use the affiliate link down in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, and sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. All right, so I've been using OnPay Payroll for a few months now, managing over 30 employees in total, and there are a lot of ways to make managing payroll easier, but there's also a few things to keep in mind if you're planning on using it. So let's talk about its features and exactly how they work. Now, one of my favorite and one of the most standout features for me is the support for unlimited payroll runs. So whether you're handling part-time, full-time, or contract workers, OnPay lets you run payroll as often as you need without worrying about extra fees or restrictions. Now, this flexibility has been a huge plus in managing my company's cash flow, though I did notice that during extremely busy payroll cycles, the system can take a few extra seconds to process each run. It's a minor delay, but worth mentioning if you're operating under tight deadlines. Plus, flexible payment options are another big draw, so OnPay allows you to choose between direct deposits, paper checks, or prepaid debit cards for paying employees. I found this particularly useful since it gave me the freedom to adjust the payment method to what works best for my team. Additionally, The pay-as-you-go workers' compensation plan means you don't have to commit to large upfront costs. Now, another thing that I really like about OnPay is that the onboarding process is designed to be simple and efficient. So new employees can use the self-service portal to enter their banking information and personal details and even manage their paid time off requests. I was very impressed by how much this streamlined the process compared to my previous systems, though there were a few minor hiccups with understanding some of the time off management features. Now, when it comes to taxes, OnPay automates most of the process, so the platform calculates and withholds the correct taxes for each paycheck, and at year end, it organizes all of the necessary tax documents. It minimizes manual errors and saves time, which is a big benefit. Now, if your business has complex tax situations, you might need to customize some settings, but overall, it works really, really well. Now, another great feature that stands out is the benefits admin. So, OnPay lets you integrate health insurance benefits and even offers options to collaborate with licensed brokers as well as set up retirement benefits through 401k providers. Now, the time tracking integration is also smooth because OnPay supports popular tools like QuickBooks Time, Deputy, and When I Work. This integration simplifies the entire process by automatically syncing employee hours for payroll processing, saving you time and reducing the need for manual entry. Now, when it comes to security and compliance, the platform uses advanced encryption and secure data protocols to protect sensitive information to make sure that both my employees and my business's data are safe. And with features like automated tax filing and direct deposit, OnPay helps reduce the risk of costly mistakes that can arise from manual payroll processing. Now, usually customer support is something where most companies struggle. I've used chat, email, and phone support during business hours, and the response time has been genuinely great and helpful. Now, obviously, there are occasional delays during peak times. They never significantly disrupted my workflow, so this was a very nice surprise. So, if you're looking for software that would simplify payroll management and let you focus on actually running and growing your business, then OnPay Payroll could be a great option. All right, now, so OnPay isn't the only payroll service in the market, and there are many other good options as well. So we're going to take a quick look at how OnPay stacks up against one of the most popular options in the market, Paychex. Now, when comparing OnPay and Paychex, both platforms offer solid payroll and tax compliance features, but they do cater to different business needs. So to give you an example, Paychex stands out with advanced tax services such as automatic tax filings and expert guidance, making it ideal for larger enterprises who have complex needs. In contrast, OnPay provides a more customizable employee self-service portal that works well for small to medium-sized businesses that's looking for a straightforward solution. Plus, pricing is another big difference to keep in mind. With OnPay, everything is very straightforward. Their plans start at about $50 a month plus $6 per employee, and there are no hidden fees. Paychex, on the other hand, they don't list any prices up front anymore, so you're going to need to reach out for a custom quote based on your business needs. While that means you can't compare cost as easily, the upside is that Paychex can tailor a plan to fit larger or more complex organizations. Now, when it comes to the app and the interface, Paychex's feature-rich platform has a steeper learning curve. OnPay is very easy to use and simplifies most tasks, so if you're not tech-savvy like myself, then OnPay may be the better option. So to wrap it all up, OnPay Payroll gives us a modern, simple solution that streamlines the entire payroll process. OnPay will save you time and allow you to focus on growing your business. This is a very easy recommendation, and I definitely recommend giving OnPay Payroll a try. And that's all for this review. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, then please give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos just like this. As a reminder, if you want to check out OnPay Payroll for your business, then you can use the affiliate link down in the description below, where sometimes we do offer special deals that you're not going to find if you go directly to their website. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll do my best to reply as fast as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.